Hey everyone! In today's video, I'm going to walk you through an amazing trick to get Crunchyroll Premium completely free for a whole 12 months. That's right, you can enjoy all the premium features without spending a single cent. I've already used this method myself, it worked perfectly. All you need is a phone and just a few minutes of your time. It's super simple, but it's important to follow each step exactly. So make sure you watch this video all the way through to avoid missing anything crucial. Alright, let's dive in and get you that free Crunchyroll Premium. First, open up your internet browser. I'm using Safari. Next, go to the website snazzycoupons.com. This is a reliable and secure platform that offers working coupon codes and special deals. Once you're on the site, use the search bar to look up free anime. When the search results load, find the right offer and click on it. Now you'll be taken to a page with full details, including a short description of the offer, user reviews, and the code itself. But as you'll see, the code is initially locked. To access it, just click on Show Coupon Code, then give it a moment while the site loads the content. After that, click on Get Full Code. This will bring you to a quick user verification step. Don't worry, this part is easy and totally safe. It's just a simple way to confirm you're a real person. You'll be asked to complete 2 to 3 free offers, which usually involve downloading a free app or completing a basic task, like reaching a level or signing up. The instructions for each offer are clearly explained right below, so there's no confusion. These apps come from either the App Store or Google Play, depending on your device. I tested the entire process myself before making this video, and I can confirm it works without any issues. If you happen to get stuck, the site even includes a quick video tutorial showing exactly what to do during the verification step. Once you complete the offers, go back to the website and you'll see your unlocked Crunchyroll Premium code displayed on the screen. Just copy it and use it where required. Thanks so much for watching. If this method worked for you, make sure to like this video, subscribe to the channel, and leave a comment below